The long suit of the Hidden Angel is its tremendous thrusting and piercing power. The balance point is right here. It's not here, it's right here. So that's exactly where the blade, that means this is quite handle heavy, you know, and that's ideal for piercing. You want a handle heavy knife when you're piercing as it drives the blade, and you're gonna see just how efficient and effective this is. Just with 2 fingers, watch this. Five inches of penetration. It doesn't take anything to put the entire blade through that pig. Just the pressure of 2 fingers. Only that little bit of pressure was enough to allow me to make this full insertion. Even the shoulder blade, I'm gonna give that a go. Right through the scapula. Look at that. 4 inches of steel inside. That went right through the shoulder blade. Hear that snick? That's that bone breaking. There I hit something really solid. Probably the ball joint, or close to it. Look at that, 4 inches of blade right through solid bone. Heavy bone right through. Now here's the cool thing. When I pull this out, look at the tip. Let's have a super close-up of that tip. Tight, 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 tight. You see that tip is absolutely perfect. Didn't bend, didn't chip, didn't break. It's absolutely perfect still, going through bone. As good as this is as thrusting, it cuts remarkably well for a knife that's not, it's long suit. Watch this. If I knock your knife aside and I do that, look at that cut, my friends. It's certainly 2 inches deep. And it starts here, and it goes here, it split the ribs here, so all those ribs are cut through there, and it's more than 2 feet long. I'd say almost 2.5 feet long. Look at that. Starts at the shoulder, ends at the ass. I'm going to try another one right here. Again, look at that. Huge cut. Look at that. The length of that cut is just terrific.